In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up subscriptions inside of your bundler so that you can offer your customers a discount and incentivize them to sign up to your subscription offer so you can make a monthly recurring delivery and sale off of them. So first go into the bundle deals and then select the bundler you want to add the subscription into, and then navigate over here to the subscriptions tab. Now, all you have to do is click enable subscriptions. Personally, I like to have this below all of the offers, so I'll click this button here and then I'll click save. As you can see, we automatically check to see if there are any subscription plans with third-party apps. So as you can see, to offer subscriptions, set them up in a third-party app first. Our bundler links to those plans. It does not create or manage them. So you can use Loop or Seal to set up your subscription, and then it will automatically link to our bundler. So I have Loop pulled up here in another tab. You can create your own Loop account with the Shopify app. Then just go down to acquire and click create selling plan. And here you can name the plan. And then down here, you can customize the frequency. So let's say we want to do a subscription once a month. And that's all we want to do. And we want to offer a discount. Say we want to do a discount of 15% for anyone that's, opts in to subscribe. So we'll click save here. And then we need to add a product to this. So we'll go to add product, and we will add the same product that we are using for our bundler right now, which is the red light therapy one. So we'll click select here. And we don't need to create our first subscription. So going back here, let's refresh this now. That banner just disappears because it already linked. So now it's connected. And if you click this button, subscribe and save, what you'll notice is you're going to have this drop down that's pulled over from Loop, and also it will update the price live when they select it. How cool is that? So you have that selected. You can also have it checked by default, which I'm sure will be very, very popular. And also you can get rid of the checkered border, or you can keep the checkered border to signify that this is a different kind of offer. So we'll keep it just like this. Also, if you want to get rid of the subtitle and have it just like that, I think it looks cleaner. We'll go just like that. And if you want to go in here and you want to add another selling plan to this, you can. Maybe you want to do it once every 2 months, or once every 2 weeks, and give them a 20% discount. You can do that very easily here. Just add frequency, and then it will pop up here as well. So instead of deliver every month, you can have it deliver every 2 weeks and give them a different discount for that. There is our subscribe and save. So this wasn't here before. I just added it. If I uncheck it, it's going to disappear. Very nice animation. Very nice preview as well. And if I wanted to just go ahead and add this to cart, I can do so there. And as you can see, deliver every month, and then the frequency is deliver every month along with the savings. That is exactly how you set up the subscriptions inside of our bundler.